Hey guys, today we'll be showing you the North Pole Central Lines. Merry Christmas. I can't get why this sign says it, because like in December, Christmas is on December 25th. And it does kind of have the like Christmas colors. I don't know where the two little boxes are. I don't know. Okay, so they put log in there. There. Okay, I'm just put it. I'm gonna fix it later. Then there's box number 1, candy canes, and there was the toy
I don't like
box.
That.
There was a box that says toys. I'm not sure. There was another box that just said handle with Carol. I'm pretty sure all of them just said handle with Carol.
I don't like games like this.
Anyways, here's the remote.
What?
This is for the like bell, the like song, and this is for the like whatever this thing is. I've got. And this probably makes it go forward or backward, or faster or slower. I don't know. I'll probably check it in one of the like videos that actually has it. That actually know what the, yeah, whatever. You might know what I mean. Okay, bye.